from the Heist Agency, and for today, I'm gonna give you a special announcement from Popo. Popo is now hiring Filipino live streamers. This is a great opportunity that Popo giving to all community of Popo. Newbies, ladies, men with talents, they are all welcome to apply as idol, rocket host, and star host. There are 2,000 slots for base salary host. So kung may talent kayo at willing kayong magkaroon ng sahod dito kay Popo, so wag nyo nang patagalin guys, okay? Punta kayo dyan sa description ko sa baba. And don't forget, you have to register your account within 7 days and complete the 6-hour live streaming task before applying. So, and also, don't forget to follow Popo Official YouTube account at Popo Live Official.